Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce the first child. Her name is Ladisha Ramadhani. She goes to Islamic boarding school. Now she is studying to memorize Al-Quran. She goes home when she has a holiday. She is now in 7th grade. She is 13 years old. His favorite color is green. His favorite food is spaghetti. Thank you.